Also, it's impossible to find flat stretch in Pune. So but then yeah, we'll have to make do with what we have. So first gear. So although I will not tell you that, oh, it is such a tractable motor or something else, okay, but because the opinions are embargoed until the 14th, but I can show the tractability to you, and you can gauge it from the video. Okay, so right now I can tell you that it is so you can do this while, say for example, if you have to search for an address, you can do that, but it is protesting a bit. Okay, and what is the speed right now? 8 kilometers per hour. What is the RPM? Okay, it's hard to read. I think somewhere around 1100 or 15, anywhere between 11 to 1500. Let's try second. So I would not leave the throttle in second. Let me see if it maintains. It is maintaining what? 11-12. Okay, that's an incline. Okay, so so basically tractability is all about how low can you go in each gear, and at what speed is it comfortable pulling without lurching, without any kind of lugging. Okay, so it pulls cleanly from 12 kilometers per hour in second gear. Okay, let's try third. So third is also, let me see if third is, okay, this is an incline, so let me try an incline as well, why not? So if you are an incline, okay, there is a protest at 20. Let me again check for you. Okay, so third gear, it is pulling from 20 kilometers per hour on the speedo. Okay, fourth should be good for 30. Okay, it is actually, let me try 20. It is not going below. Okay, slight bit of protest there, but it is still pulling from 20 kilometers. So let me try third at 15 kilometers per hour. Okay, protest, somewhere around 18 kilometers per hour in third gear, and this is an incline. Once again, let me show it to you. Okay, now, okay, if I leave the throttle, and this is an incline, 18 kilometers per hour, and well, 13, well, just so that you remember, while riding, third is good for 20 kilometers per hour. Even at 18, there is no lugging. Let's try fourth. Of course, protest. Let's keep it at 30. So this is 30, although it is pulling from 25. Let me show it to you. Let me overtake these gentlemen. See, okay, there is some amount of protest at 25. Let me show it to you again. It is pulling from 25, but 30 onwards it's smooth. Fourth gear, so third gear 20 kilometers per hour, fourth gear 30 kilometers per hour, so fifth should be good for 40. It is pulling cleanly from 40 kilometers per hour. Let me show it to you once again. Okay, it's not really protesting, but the sound is telling you that it's not really happy. somewhere around 40 to 43 kilometers per hour on kilometers per hour onwards, it is smooth. See, you would not ride like this, but you should know whether it is more tractable than its nearest competitors. I'm not going to say which ones, and I'm not even telling you whether it is more tractable or not. You can see it for yourself. So fifth is actually good for 40 kilometers per hour. So sixth should be good for 50 kilometers per hour, right? Let's try that. There is some amount of protest below 50. At 50 it gets better. Okay, let me take it down to bring it down to 50. It is pulling from 50. It is not protesting, but like I say, in every tractability video, it is not happy at 50. Somewhere around 55 kilometers per hour and above, it is smooth. Yes, it's not happy. There is some amount of protest at 50. Yes, there definitely is. 55 kilometers per hour. So just to summarize, what was second gear? Somewhere around what? 11, 12? 12. Third gear was 18. We will fix it at 20. Fourth gear was 30. And fifth gear was 42 or 45. And sixth gear was 55. So I hope you liked the video, and if you have any questions, do ask me in the comment section below. The full review would be coming in on the 14th, and do watch it, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much.